In today's video, I will teach you how to add a watermark to your images in PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in PicMonkey. Now, you can automatically add a watermark on your image in the Downloads panel. When downloading, you have the option to add a watermark to your image. You can either apply it as a tile that spans out throughout your entire image, or you can simply select a specific position for it. You can even change the size, rotate it, and adjust the fade value to your liking. But you can also make your own watermark in PicMonkey. To make a watermark with an image, you can either use one from PicMonkey's stock library containing thousands of free and premium stock images, or you can simply upload your own image. To do this, go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Here, click the Add Photo or Video button and select the source of your file. Then you can add the image by either clicking it or dragging it onto the canvas. Now, you can move it around, resize it, rotate it, or crop it. To add graphics, go to the sidebar, open the Graphics tab, and browse through PicMonkey's graphics library, or simply type in the keyword related to the graphics element that you would like to find. To customize your graphics, simply select the graphics element that you wish to edit, and a new set of editing tools will appear on the sidebar. To add text, go to the sidebar and open the Text tab. PicMonkey has a Pro Fonts library filled with every font style that you can think of, from sans serif to handwriting, and from script to monospaced fonts. Now, to add your image, graphics, or text as a watermark, you must change the opacity as well as the blending mode of your graphics element. To do this, make sure that the watermark is selected first by clicking the watermark layer on the Layers tab. Then at the sidebar, open the Fade and Blend tab. Here, you can adjust the opacity of the watermark by adjusting the fade value on the slider. To change the blending mode of the watermark, simply open the Blend Mode drop-down menu and choose your preferred blending mode. Now, you can decide whether to put your watermark on a specific part of your image or put it all over your image. And once you're done, you can either save it to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.